In every stroke, find the rhythm of your soul, for the canvas is but a mirror reflecting the melodies within. Creativity is the silent symphony of imagination, painting a world where colors speak louder than words. Embrace the chaos of your thoughts, for in the kaleidoscope of creativity, masterpieces are born. Art is the language of the heart, and every creation is a conversation between passion and possibility. In the realm of art, the brush is a magic wand, turning dreams into strokes and reality into a masterpiece. Let your creativity be a rebellion, a riot of colors against the monotony of the mundane. Create with the audacity of a dreamer, for art is the bridge between what is and what could be. Imagination is the architect, and art is the blueprint of the soul's wildest fantasies. Brush away doubt, dip into courage, and paint your tomorrow with the hues of resilience. In the symphony of creation, each stroke is a note, and the canvas is a canvas of infinite possibilities. Art is the dance of inspiration, where each step is a brush stroke leading to a masterpiece. In the gallery of life, let your creativity hang like a masterpiece, captivating hearts with its silent eloquence. Creativity is the compass that guides the artist through uncharted territories of imagination. The canvas is a whispering echo of the artist's soul, revealing tales that words dare not speak. Immerse yourself in the palette of passion, and let the brush of creativity paint the masterpiece of your existence. Art is the alchemy that transforms emotions into colors, and the canvas is the spellbinding potion. Unleash the artist within, and let your creations be the footprints of your journey through the landscapes of imagination. Every stroke is a rebellion against conformity, and every masterpiece is a victory over the ordinary. Dare to be a creator, for in the realm of art, the courageous ones are the ones who color outside the lines. The canvas is a realm where dreams become tangible, and the brush is the bridge that connects the ethereal with the earthly. Creativity is the heartbeat of the artist, echoing in every stroke, breathing life into the stillness of the canvas. Art is the language of emotions, and each stroke is a syllable in the poetry of expression. The artist is a storyteller, and the canvas is a tapestry woven with the threads of imagination. In the sanctuary of creation, the artist is both the priest and the deity, shaping worlds with the sacred brush. Creativity is the rebel yell against the silence of conformity, a riot of expression on the canvas of existence. Dip your brush in the colors of courage, and let the canvas bear witness to the audacity of your imagination. Art is the silent dialogue between the artist and the unknown, a conversation where every stroke is a question and every color is an answer. Creativity is the song that the heart sings, and the canvas is the stage where the notes come alive. In the gallery of dreams, let your creations be the stars that illuminate the darkness with the brilliance of imagination. The artist is a magician, and the canvas is the stage where reality transforms into a mesmerizing illusion. Creativity is the rebellion of the soul against the ordinary, a revolution where every stroke is a proclamation of freedom. Dance with your brush on the canvas of possibilities, for in every movement, a masterpiece is choreographed. Art is the poetry that the eyes can see, and the canvas is the parchment where emotions are written in strokes. Creativity is the compass that navigates the artist through the uncharted waters of imagination. Let your art be a symphony of emotions, playing in the hearts of those who dare to listen. The canvas is a realm where dreams become tangible, and the brush is the bridge that connects the ethereal with the earthly. Creativity is the alchemy that transforms ordinary thoughts into extraordinary masterpieces.